Hello. Well, it is slowly getting drier across the country for a couple of days at least for many of us. And that's because we've got high pressure building in from the south and west. But at the moment, we've still got the remnants of the weekend's weather, a low pressure and some occluded fronts that are yet to clear throughout this evening and throughout Tuesday as well. So that'll bring some rain to northern and eastern areas throughout this evening, mainly showery rain, heavy at times, but fairly sporadic, not affecting absolutely everywhere. That'll bring a lot of cloud as well to the east coast and then into East Anglia throughout tomorrow morning. So it could be a bit of a misty and murky start tomorrow morning in these areas. However, the high pressure is starting to show its face, so a rather different picture to start in Northern Ireland and Scotland. Plenty of clear weather. Because of those clear skies, it will be a chilly start. Temperatures falling as low as -2, possibly as low as -4 tonight across Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland. Then throughout the day, we'll see that ridge of high pressure becoming more dominant across the whole of the UK, so bringing a fairly fine day for the time of year across the bulk of the UK. But notice we've got the isobars starting to pack around this front that will bring some wetter weather throughout Tuesday evening and into Wednesday and Thursday across northern areas in particular. Staying dry though across the south. At first, we'll see that fine weather throughout Tuesday morning across the north, but it will become more widespread, as I mentioned, into Wales, parts of the Midlands by the afternoon. There'll be a few showers around still throughout the morning, but they'll be fairly scattered and will become quite a low likelihood by the afternoon. So plenty of dry weather and a good amount of sunshine throughout the afternoon on Tuesday, but temperatures around average for the time of year, 10 or 12 degrees. In the far north, though, after the chilly start, and that's the cloud will start to thicken into the afternoon. It won't feel particularly warm, particularly in the breeze. So the winds will pick up across the northwest and the cloud will thicken and rain will arrive across the coast and highlands throughout a Tuesday night. The rain will then push into parts of northern England and Northern Ireland, mainly affecting coastal areas and high ground, but there'll be a lot of cloud around, so it'll be a much milder night tomorrow night. Across the south, it does look fairly cloudy, but the cloud will be quite thin, and that means that the temperatures will fall a little lower, so we could be close to freezing by the time we start off on Wednesday morning in the far south. So a bit of a wet and windy picture across the north and west to start on Wednesday, and it will remain that way through much of the day. We'll see some of that rain creep into the south, particularly over high ground, but there'll still be some sunshine sneaking through and plenty of dry weather, to be honest, by and large across Wales and the bulk of England. So not a bad day at all across the far south, feeling fairly pleasant in any sunshine, 11 or 12 degrees. In the north, we've got similar temperatures, but with that cloud and rain, it will feel rather different. We see that rain and cloud linger all the way through into Thursday before it finally clears to the south on Friday, bringing us a cooler end to the week and start to the weekend. But you can find more about that on our Week Ahead with Aidan on YouTube. Bye-bye for now.